Next up, we're gonna do a coconut milkshake, or at least that's what we're calling it. And it's just a fun drink with our tonic. This is a non-alcoholic drink. It can be adjusted, of course. This is our light summer tonic and some coconut milk, coconut water, lime juice. Couldn't be easier. Get a blender and about a nice cup of ice. Get a couple of ounces of coconut milk. Get in there with a spoon. Make sure it's all kind of a similar consistency. Coconut milk has a tendency to separate, and you don't want just the kind of like the water from it or just the solids. You want to know what you're getting involved in here. So we're going to go with a couple of ounces of this coconut milk. If you like it creamier, make it creamier. It's a couple ounces of coconut water. Couple of ounces of our light summer tonic. And you take these, make sure you turn them over, nothing on the bottom. That way you know it's completely integrated. A couple ounces of that. And last but not least, an ounce of fresh lime juice. It's really gonna wake the drink up. There we go. There we go. Let it go for a bit. Now this has got a nice fluidity to it, so we can add some ice. What you want to make sure when you're making these drinks is that you don't add so much ice that the liquid, not enough liquid. So we're going to cheat and add a few more cubes of ice. It's going to be great. Let's give that. Go. Oh, it smells great. Maybe I shouldn't have added so many extra ice. There you go. Garnish that with a little lime there. And right here, these are some Fee Brothers bitters. We changed the bottle because I like the feel of this bottle better. But Fee Brothers are made with glycerin instead of alcohol. So if you really want something non-alcoholic, that's an advantage there. Other advantage is they smell a lot like cinnamon and coconut, and the flavors of the light summer tonic really go well together. So we're just gonna drizzle a little of the Fee Brothers bitters right on top. And gussy up that glass for you. Here's your coconut milkshake.